subscribe and hit the bell icon to never miss another update from India Forums.
Oh, Bhurji, sorry,
Yeah.
Bhurji. और इतने it was cold भुर्जी और हम लड़ाई कर रहे थे like नहीं तू खाएगा नहीं तू खाएगी and I was like मेरे को नहीं खाना क्यों खाना वो एक गाना चूज करेगा जो उसका फेवरेट हो जाएगा और वो गाता रहेगा मतलब बकवास गाने वो गाता ही जाएगा
तेरा बाप आया
भाग तेरा बाप आया and Priyanka and I would just stare at each other and be like ये इसकी taste मतलब ये and I would try to make him be quiet but he would not.
Today we have Sonia Rathi with us and सबको पता है ये fan meet and greet है with India Forums, you know. So these are the fans जिन्होंने ये contest जीता है और ये opportunity मिली है उन्हें आप लोगों से मिलने की. सिद्धार्थ से already मिल चुके हैं and this time they're meeting Sonia. So guys, before we start, I have few questions for Sonia. So Sonia, how's the feeling now? Release हो गया है सब
I'm overwhelmed, overjoyed, just so grateful and happy to be here. मैंने सपनों में भी नहीं सोचा था कि इतना अच्छा response मिलेगा. मैं बहुत खुश हूँ.
And tell us what was it like when you heard, you know, cut for the Rumi, you know, last take जो था आपका.
There was so much happiness but also so much sadness क्योंकि गम भी था because it was such a journey, you know, and I loved playing Rumi. I loved being on set and I loved seeing everybody every day. And now I miss it. I miss it so much. I was just in the interviews, I was talking about it. I miss being on set. Sab Rumi bolte rehte the. I just miss my life on set. So yeah, it was a great time.
And you know, we have seen Rumi be confused, but eventually come around what she wants. ऐसा रियल लाइफ में अगर हम सोनिया से पूछे वो भी कंफ्यूज रहती है या फिर शी इज क्लियर?
मैं बहुत कंफ्यूज रहती हूँ. नहीं, I mean हम सब obviously there are certain goals where it's like मुझे ये चाहिए तो यही करूँगी. But at the end of the day उस गोल को पाने के लिए कभी-कभी कंफ्यूज भी हो जाते हैं naturally. So I'm just navigating through everything.
And you know, any fun incident or memory you want to share from the set, you know, जो fans जानना चाहे, anything?
There's too many. We never really got time for pranks, but I'm sure if Sid had time, he would pull pranks. But it was a great time, you know, especially last day में जो energy थी और जो everybody was so happy but also so sad. It was just so beautiful to be a part of that. I had a lot of first times on set. So jo bike wala scene hai, that was the first time I was ever on a bike. So that was very cool. It was the first time I wore a sari in my life. That was also very cool. So there were a lot of firsts for me. And I'm just, yeah, it was a great time.
And given how things end, you know, for Rumi, do you feel कि थोड़ा change हो सकता था या फिर fans से जानना चाहेंगे ending आप लोगों को कैसी लगी? क्या आप लोगों को climax कुछ और चाहिए था, कुछ change चाहिए था या you guys are satisfied with the ending?
Found it perfect.
I just love the closure. You know, there was nothing so cliched about it. You know, that doesn't have to be a happily ever after. You know, that would have actually killed it. Because the way it was building up, I think the closure was just perfect. That's my personal feeling, of course.
I wouldn't change anything about it.
Yeah, it was a beautiful ending.
And Sonia, what do you like to say about the ending?
I agree. I mean, I think that Agastya and Rumi both have so much growing to do, you know. It would be injustice if they just immediately got back together. I think Agastya has already grown so much, but Rumi ko apni journey to chahiye. And she needs to grow up a little bit, you know. It was the first time she was accepting that she needs to be alone. And yeah, I think I'm happy with the ending. I think they need their time apart, you know.
Okay, you know, fans are just loving you guys, you know, response इतना अच्छा है, लोग आप लोग को पसंद करें, ये fresh pairing लोगों को बहुत पसंद आई है. तो सबसे sweetest thing अगर आपने कुछ सुनी हो या read की हो, if you want to share.
I don't know. Everybody is just bombarding me with the agony messages. मुझको पता भी नहीं था ऐसे होता है. Like the hashtag. I'm not on Twitter, so I don't know these things. And I didn't know कि like दो लोगों का hashtag agony भी बन सकता है. So I just been like enjoying all of the reels and everything people have been posting. But yeah, I mean it's been a great response. It's been very sweet. I see everything. जितने भी stories देख सकती हूँ मैं देखती हूँ. जो भी reels बनते हैं मैं वो भी देखती हूँ. तो मेरे को तो बहुत खुशी हो रही है that people are accepting our जोड़ी like that. Yeah, I mean I didn't know how our chemistry would be until I saw it. मेरे को भी बहुत nervousness थी.
And don't you think, guys, she's looking stunning in the season 3? So look की बात करें तो सबसे अच्छा look अगर मैं आप लोग से पूछूं कौन सा लगा है रूमी का?
See, frankly, I didn't know you were wearing the sari for the first time. I think you draped it really well. In fact, it's a new style. A lot of people will try out, I'm sure, at the parties. You were really looking stunning in that sari.
Thank you.
I just love that look.
I loved seeing you in that dance performance last
True.
episode.
True.
You looked beautiful.
Thank you so much.
Yeah, in the last where you danced with Agastya and that Ishan.
The blue one, the blue like
Good
mermaid
dress.
kind
Yes.
of dress. Yeah.
And Sonia, what about you? Your personal favorite?
My personal favorite, I think it would have to be जब मैं rehearsals कर रही होती हूँ and I'm wearing that blue and the blue pants, like the two-piece. I like that one. All the comfortable clothing I liked. Because Sonia at the end of the day is all about comfort.
Yeah.
It's a
So
huge
guys, if you have
success.
questions,
Yeah,
you
it's
can
a
ask
huge
us.
success. I would say congratulations. Amazing reviews with a rating of 9+ running on, in the first week. This is like, amazing for a lot of people. It's been such a spectacular success. What do you think? What do you think clicked with the viewers? Were you expecting this?
I was not at all. I was a bundle of nervousness जब release होने वाला था. Just क्योंकि यहाँ पर रात थी, तो मैं जगी रही थी. It was like 2 a.m. here, and मेरे को बहुत nervousness हो रही थी, like पेट में गुदगुदी हो रही थी. But when it released, I was like, okay, चलो ठीक है, it's out there, अब कुछ नहीं हो सकता. But I think maybe I don't know. You guys tell me. What did you guys find so amazing about it? Because I want to know.
I posted a review the first day itself, and I congratulated you because you didn't come across as a newcomer at all, and I mean it in a complimenting you in that way. Like it was such a nice, mature piece of work. I was stumped when I read that you were a newcomer. I
Yeah.
not through the performance. Amazing performances, I would say. What did I like about it? I think storyline, the music, the dialogues, and all the performance, and I suppose the director for bringing it all together. I think all of it.
Our director was just, I don't know, godsend. She's incredible.
Yes.
And Manish, you were also saying something?
Your performance was so damn good. Like you did not look like a newcomer at all, and we loved your chemistry with Sid. Like Agni chemistry was totally amazing, and music for series was amazing too. So yeah, plot, everything.
Thank you. I love the music too. I think it's incredible. I'm a fan.
Why don't you hum a few lines for us?
Like we had 5 beautiful songs from Broken but Beautiful 3. So which is your favorite song?
Mine would have to be Kya Kiya Hai Tune.
Oh,
It's on repeat. I
Yes,
love
it's beautiful.
Khushbu, do you have any question?
Okay, first impression सिद्धार्थ सर का आपके ऊपर कैसा था?
जब पहली बार मिली तो टीजर शूट पे मिली थी. तब हमारा बस 5 मिनट का एक शॉट था. तो I remember, और मैंने कभी बिग बॉस नहीं देखा. I didn't watch any of his interviews क्योंकि I didn't want to go in thinking कि वो कैसे हैं. तो जब आए सब खड़े हो गए and I was like, oh shit, like मुझे भी खड़ा होना पड़ेगा क्या? तो I got up and then immediately Sid came inside and he's like, no, what are you doing? Why are you sitting down? Stop, that's so embarrassing. And then he introduced himself to everybody. Then I was like, ठीक है, बंदा अच्छा है. Like he's humble. That चलेगा काम. So that was my first impression of him. And then then we were on sets together and he's such a good guy. He's a great-hearted human being.
can I just ask you one thing? It's something which I've been thinking about. We met Siddharth last week, just the day of the release, and he said I have a lot of things in common with Agastya, and personally I found him so super cute and adorable that I don't understand. And I was even thinking, I thought I'll ask you, how did you all rile him up to get into that fiery, angry mode?
कोशिश नहीं करनी पड़ी. He knew his character, he knew what needed to be done, and he's a seasoned actor though. Like he knows what's needed, and he'll deliver. ऐसा कुछ नहीं था. We didn't have to do anything.
Which is your favorite Agni scene from Broken but Beautiful Tree?
My favorite Agni scene? That's a great question. Nobody has asked me that. I think one of my favorites would have to be when he wipes my lipstick off and I run off and मैं रो रही होती हूँ, and then he comes and he tells me that वो monologue about tu Mayra nahi hai and all of that. I think that was a strong scene. And another one was when he was telling me about Shadi. जब we're going to eat pav bhaji or something, and he's talking about marriage and Scorsese ne 5 बारी करी and all of that. That was fun.
Okay.
Then
You went to eat bhuji, I think.
Yes.
Huh?
I thought it was bhuji. At least.
Oh, bhuji. Sorry.
Yeah.
Bhuji. और it was cold bhuji और हम लड़ाई कर रहे थे like नहीं तू खाएगा, नहीं तू खाएगी. I was like मेरे को नहीं खाना, तू खा.
Okay, will there be a story ahead, like Rumi or Agastya story, or next another season? Fan, I'm sure आप लोग को चाहिए next season.
I don't know. I can't say anything. I genuinely don't know.
Okay, let me just change that to what next for Sonia now.
Again, I don't know. I'm very.
Hey, Sarah.
I'm taking it one step at a time. Seeing where the cards end up. Abhi Broken release hua hai, so I'm seeing. Yeah, I just want to take in this moment, enjoy it the most I can. And obviously there's the pandemic happening, so jab bhi wo khatam ho jayega and the lockdown is lifted, then I'll come back and I'll start auditioning again and get the whole process running.
And Harleen is your friend. Tell us about her response.
Harleen, her response. Obviously abhi tak baat nahi hui hai, but from messages or whatnot, she's very happy.
Okay. And any other question or anything you like to ask her?
Okay, ma'am. Funny instances जो set पे हुए हो, share करना चाहते हो कुछ?
Funny instances. Yeah, बहुत हुए थे. Honestly, it was the whole time just Sid pulling my leg. मतलब बहुत मजाक उड़ाता था मेरा. Funny instances, I think भुर्जी वाला था, और वो ये भी करता है बहुत ज्यादा. मैं बहुत irritate हो जाती थी. वो एक गाना choose करेगा जो उसका favorite हो जाएगा और वो गाता रहेगा. मतलब बकवास गाने. वो गाता ही जाएगा.
तेरा बाप आया.
तेरा बाप आया. And then there was the Daru one. I forgot which song it was, but he wouldn't stop. And Priyanka and I would just stare at each other and be like, "Ye iski taste." Matlab ye. And I would try to make him be quiet, but he would not.
Okay.
Any favorite dialogue of Rumi?
That's a great question. I think a lot of the VOs are some of my favorites. I don't know about dialogues. But there was a dialogue that I really liked where it's Agastya was I was using him as a band-aid. Little did I know that he would become my choice of drug. Like there's a lot of VOs that have so much in them. But yeah, and obviously random dialogues that just kind of hit home a little bit. So the writer did a good job.
Yeah, absolutely.
And anything you like to say to the fans, to the viewers, because they loved you so much in this series, and your chemistry with Siddharth, it's amazing. Anything you like to say to them?
Well, I mean, right now I would like to say I'm really excited to meet you guys. It's the first time I'm seeing some of you in person, so I'm very excited. And in general, I'm just so thankful, you guys. Like, I don't know what I did to deserve so much love from you, and I think about it every day. I watch all of the reels, all of the stories, and I'm just overwhelmed. And I don't have words. Like, I'm just very happy, you know? And I hope that you guys are staying safe and you're staying at home. And I hope that this show just brought a little bit of a smile to your face. I know it's a hard time right now. But yeah, I'm really grateful for you guys.
We all love this one.
Yeah.
Did you catch up with any of your crew members, Sid or anyone, after the release?
Yeah, I did. I got on a call with Priyanka and I got on a call with Sid and my producer as well. They were all very happy. I wish we could all be together. They all watched it together, but I wish I could do a screening when I come back. But I promise them we're doing one. They're very happy. Everybody's so grateful the way it turned out. You know, it was so fast too. Wo bhi pandemic mein. They were editing via Zoom, which was crazy. And you know, I'm just blown away. You know, everybody's happy.
And I hope you all are happy क्योंकि आपने अपने सारे questions पूछ लिए हैं सोनिया से, right?
Last questions if you want it, take it.
By the time they're thinking, tell me who used to take maximum retakes in between you both?
I think in the beginning it was me, and then I kind of got the hang of it. So then I would just let Priyanka decide, and after that it was not that many retakes. And then Sid started doing his own retakes, which is like, नहीं मैं ये अच्छा कर सकता हूँ, नहीं ये वाला सही नहीं हुआ. But I think we were both, क्योंकि इतना fast shoot हो रहा था, so we were both pretty decent with that.
And who used to laugh in the middle of a serious scene?
Oh my God, one time, so there's this one scene, actually it's the last scene that was happening, जहाँ पे मैं Sid को hug करती हूँ, and we decided to like, it's such a serious scene, and so Sid and I both decided like, listen, let's play this super funny, like just like, I don't know, hum bakwas karne lag gaye the. But yeah, in the middle of a serious scene, Sid definitely does. Like while I'm being serious, in the beginning, he would just make these ede faces, and I was like, listen, I cannot perform like this. But yeah, he's definitely someone to laugh during the serious scene.
Okay.
How similar are you to Rumi?
Physicality wise, I'm not at all similar. So like, जो कपड़े पहनती है, जैसे बाल करती है, and all of that, Sonia Rathi ऐसी नहीं है, बिल्कुल भी. Emotions wise, there are some parts that I do feel. लेकिन वो हम सब करते हैं, you know, we all have some anger, some frustration, something in us. But yeah, physically wise, I am not at all what Rumi is.
Okay, so this is it, and I hope everyone enjoyed this fan meet and greet.
Yeah,
Best of luck for future projects.
Yeah, all the best. Sonia, I don't know if you know it, but it's just a thought because you're there and it's a very strong temptation. Tell us something about, you know, the tattoo of Agastya. We saw it initially, but somewhere in the entire series, you know, I really couldn't demystify what was it all about. And this
Something here, right?
Yeah, something on his forearm.
अच्छा, his tattoo.
Tattoo, yeah.
You know, good question. मेरे को आज तक पता नहीं क्या कहता था उसका tattoo. लेकिन it was supposed to be like some like cool, like, you know, those two bands. So I really liked the tattoo, but I have बहुत drama हुआ है उस tattoo पे. मतलब एक दिन गलत चिपका दिया था, like उल्टा चिपका दिया था, तो बहुत किस्से हुए उस tattoo के साथ. But yeah, I like the tattoo. I have no idea what it says. That's a great question.
That's a great answer too. A very candid one as well.
Yeah. Okay, so now it's time to say bye.
Sure.
So I hope you enjoyed this one.
Yes.
Yes.
All the best, Sonia.
All the best for your future projects.
And congratulations once again for the spectacular success of the third series. In fact, convey to the entire team. I'm sure we don't get a chance, but we'll kind of send it through yourself.
Oh, I will, 100%.
Bye.
Thank you, guys. Thank you,
Pleasure
Sonia.
meeting you guys. Thank you so much.
Same here. Bye.
Thank
Bye.
you. Bye. Take care and stay safe.
Everyone.
Stay safe.
Hey guys, check out our revamped website at www.indiaforums.com to get your daily dose of entertainment.